Have you ever uploaded a video and after a few hours your views just drop? Like YouTube is not recommending or pushing your videos to people. Sometimes your impression will just freeze and you start thinking, what did you do wrong? What are you not doing right? What did you not do right about this particular video? Just hold on. In this video I'm going to show you why YouTube is not pushing your videos, and most importantly I'm going to tell you how to fix this, because I had this experience last week. I uploaded a video last week and it took like 3 hours for my video impression to get to 100, and even after it got to 100 it got stopped again. Like it was after some time that the impression started increasing again, after I did one simple thing that I did. Do you understand? So in this video I'm going to explain what I did that made YouTube to pick up my video again. Welcome to my channel. If you're seeing my video for the first time, I am Mommy Cheesy. So please do well to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And to my returning viewers, I appreciate you all. Thanks for always stopping by. So let's get started. Now let's talk about the reason why YouTube stopped pushing your video. YouTube recommends or push your video according to how people respond to it. It doesn't matter how many subscribers you have. Now let me explain this very well. Now when you upload a video, what YouTube does is to send your videos to few people, maybe your subscribers, to check how they will respond to the video. Are they going to watch your video? Even if they click to watch, how long do they stay? Do they watch it for long? Do they like it? Do they comment? Like, do they engage on your videos? You understand? So how your subscribers respond to your video will tell YouTube that this video is okay, that this video is helpful, it has value. You understand? And when this happens, it determines whether YouTube will push your video to more people or pause. Another thing YouTube looks at for is your click-through rate. Are people clicking on your video? That is why we always talk about posting at the right time when your audience are online. This is to help your CTR. You understand? So that is what YouTube looks at for before recommending your video more or pushing your video to more people. YouTube looks at your average view duration. How long do they stay on your video? Do they watch your video to maybe 70 to 100%? Like I said before, I uploaded a video last week. It took about 3 to 4 hours before this video got to 100 impressions, which means it took like 4 to 5 hours before YouTube could show my video to 100 people. And later it picked up again, and when it picked up at around 150 impressions, I got a flat line. It stopped for like 10 hours. Like YouTube did not even add one impression. Like my impression got stopped. And I'm going to tell you the reason why my impression got stopped. I uploaded at the wrong time. Do you know why? I almost did not upload throughout last week because of my children school graduation, so I was so busy. So later on that week I said I need to post. So I did not check the right time my audience would be online. I had to schedule that post, that video. So when it came online, people didn't click much, which made my CTR to be low. My CTR was below 4%, and I'm sure that the reason why YouTube stopped pushing my video or recommending my videos was that it felt like 100 impressions, just 3 views. That means the CTR was too low, so YouTube had to stop it. Let's go to how to fix this. So if you've been observing this low impression on your channel, like you will post a video and for like how many hours you find that the impression is low, don't panic at all. That doesn't mean that your content is bad or your video isn't valuable. It just means that the algorithm did not get a strong signal earlier. There's a way to turn this around. Even if YouTube has stopped recommending that video, there is a way. So let's go there. If your CTR is below 4%, that means your title and thumbnail are not good enough. They are not attractive to the viewers. Like they are not seeing it like something that will be interesting. Like it doesn't interest them to click. It doesn't attract them. What you do in this situation is to try and create another thumbnail and try out another title, a keyword-rich title. Those keywords, those top keywords in your niche, try adding them in your title. This can make the algorithm to push your video more. Another thing that could be stopping your viewers from watching your videos for long is the hook. Check your hook. You see those boring parts, cut them out. Those long introduction, cut them out. Do you understand? Just go straight to the point, because if you start up your video with those boring parts, people will click off easily, and when they click off, this will make your average view duration and your retention to be very low, which will signal the algorithm that people are not staying for long on this video. This video is not valuable, is not helpful. And after uploading, always check your analytics, especially the audience retention graph. If people drop immediately, how long do they stay? where do they drop? And after going through this, your audience retention graph, it will help your next video. You know how to do on your next video to correct the mistake you made the last time. Another way to make YouTube push and recommend your videos by adding playlist and video link in your video description. This is very important. When you have a playlist and you add your other video links in your description, this will make your viewers to be on your channel for long, and this is what YouTube likes. It will also make YouTube to suggest your videos to more people. Do not forget to use end screen and YouTube cards. If someone watches one of your videos, the next one that YouTube will suggest will still be your video because you have a playlist and you added your video links to that particular video description. Do you understand? And this will make YouTube to look at your channel like this channel is actually keeping people on YouTube, on this platform. And it is called session time. It means your channel kept these people on YouTube for long. And when YouTube feels this way about your channel, it starts recommending your videos, pushing your videos to new people. So let's talk about how to bring your video back to life. If YouTube stops recommending your videos after a few days of uploading, just don't delete that video. Don't delete it at all. Just let it be. But do these things to make YouTube start recommending it again and pushing it to new people. What you need to do is to change the title of that video. Change the thumbnail. If you did not add timestamp before, try adding timestamp. Change the description. Change the tags. Change the hashtags. Try searching for keyword-rich hashtags, description, title, and thumbnail. This is very important. Keyword-rich. Like something that like almost everybody search in your niche. Add it to your description. Even the big channels in your niche, add their names to your description. Also link it in new videos, use YouTube card, end screen, and all of that. Post it on your community tab. This will also help your video very well. It will help resurrect your video. From time to time, what I do is I go to my old videos, I change the thumbnails, I change the titles, description, tags, and hashtag. And each time I do this, I notice that YouTube starts recommending my videos again. Like the views will start increasing. Not like it will go viral like that, but you'll find out that you're getting more views and your watch time is increasing. Do you understand? So this is very helpful. You know, as a small channel, the algorithm forgets your videos easily. Have it in mind that if you upload a video, after 2 days, YouTube will stop recommending that video. It will stop suggesting that video. It will stop pushing the video. So this is the right thing to do. Always try resurrecting your videos by changing the title, thumbnail, the hashtag, tags, and all of that. This will make the algorithm to remember as that this is something new. This has a new title and all of that. It will start recommending and pushing your videos again. If YouTube is not pushing your videos right now, it's not the end. It's just a signal. Use the CTR data, use the average video duration data, use the watch time data to improve your videos. You don't need to be perfect. All you just need to do is to improve in every of your videos. So if you found this video helpful, please do well to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.